Meaning of hieroglyph.
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 Hieroglyph. A hieroglyph is a symbol or character used in ancient Egyptian writing. Hieroglyphs were typically used to represent objects, ideas, or sounds, and were often very detailed and intricate. The word hieroglyph comes from the Greek words hieros, meaning sacred, and glyphian, meaning to carve. Hieroglyphs were chiseled into stone or written on papyrus using ink made from plant fibers. They were used for over 3,500 years and were an important part of ancient Egyptian culture. Today, they provide valuable insights into the lives, beliefs, and history of this fascinating civilization.